Hey, it's that magical time between Christmas and New Year's, and when you're trying to figure out what to do with all those Amazon gift cards you got from Christmas, and which makes this the perfect time to check out massage guns to help you recover from whatever exercise program you're going to begin at the start of this new year. I'm Naomi Greaves, co-founder of Garage Gym Life, and normally you see me doing 5 minutes of fitness sets. However, 5 minutes is not going to be enough. I have 5 massage guns that I'm going to be giving a review. I'm a stay-at-home mom, work from home, very busy. So what I'm looking for is its convenience, its strength, and also if it can meet my needs after a long cardio session. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is going to be the Garber, G-V-B-E-R. If that is not the correct way of pronouncing it, I do apologize. So first things first with the Garber. One of the things that kind of sticks out to me when I open the box is the aesthetic of it. I like the gray and black. It's also very light. It does have a power LED indicator in the back, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that on so you can see. The indicator of the power is located on the right hand side. 99 means it's a full charge, but then it goes down in increments of 20. So 80, 60, 40, and if you see 20, it means it definitely needs to be recharged. It does need to take 3 to 4 hours to be fully charged, and also for the length of time that it will last on that charge is going to be based off of the speed in which you're using it. The battery to run time is roughly about 4 to 6 hours, and there are 30 levels of speed that is available on this particular gun. There are 6 massage heads that come in the box for you. I'll go ahead and I'll show those to you. The first one is obviously going to be the round one. This is going to be suitable for all muscle groups. They do have the D shape, which was kind of funny. I was trying to figure out what that was. And they say the D shape is suitable for most muscle groups. They do have, let's see, here is your flat head, which is to help relax, I guess, to soften up your muscles, so that way you can then really get into your deep tissue. And talking about deep tissue, it brings up the bullet massage head, which is needed for trigger points. They do have also your U-shape bullet, U-shaped head. This is specific for your spine, your neck, and your shoulders. Also your Achilles heel. Great if you're a runner. And then last, and I thought this was actually kind of funny, is the thumb. Doesn't look like a thumb to me, but hey, it is what it is. And this is also going to be specific for like your hands, your feet, etc. When I looked at Amazon today, it retailed right at just under 30. So this is a great little idea if you have someone that is looking for Christmas to help them as a partner for their exercise needs. Like I said, it's very lightweight. When it comes down to holding, my hands are pretty small, so you can see in comparison, it's not very huge. So this is actually quite lightweight. So I'm going to turn this off and we'll go to the next one. Let's see, there we go. So the next item on the list to review is going to be the Toloco. Toloco. T-O-L-O-C-O. This one, what stood out to me was also how heavy it is. If you notice, compared to the previous massage gun I was just holding, this is quite large. This is the model EM26. It does have 7 speeds, okay, massage speeds, and its charge time is about 4 hours. It too has an LED display, but you have to first turn it on and off on the bottom of the handle, and that way it turns on for you, okay? Once it's fully charged, it does have a run time between 2 to 6 hours, again, depending on the speed and your intensity. And this one has 10 massage heads. So of course the ones that we already kind of looked at, but it also has a round, a fork, the shovel, kind of like the D head that we just looked at, but it also has a wedge and also the Y shape massage head, which is here. This one is specific for your arms and your legs. And then what I like is that most of them are black, but you have 2 that are orange. So I don't know if these are caution. They do have a display book that explains which muscle groups they are specific for. Okay. Now on the LED display, the bottom here is your power level, how much life is in your battery. Then of course you have your minus and your plus to increase your speeds. And then of course your intensity is going to be displayed on top. So this is the Teleco. So the next one that we're going to review is the Elfor. ELEFOR. Okay. And again, this one's a sizable one as well, because remember I said my hands are kind of small. So as you can see how big it is, it's midway. It's not like very light, but it's not very heavy either. This one too has its on and off switch on the bottom. And then when you do turn it on, you do have an LED display on the back. Just like the previous one of the Gerber, it does have its display. When it shows 99 on the power, that means it's a full charge. And it does go also in increments of 80, 60, 40, and 20. When it hits 20, it means it's letting you know it needs to be recharged again. With this one, full charge for a battery can take 2 hours. So you don't have as long of a charging time frame to reuse it. Battery life is up to 6 hours, again, depending on the intensity of the speed that you're using. This one offers 20 speed levels. Also has 10, and just accidentally touching it and look, it already turns on. It does have 10 massage heads as well. Ones that we've already looked at is what's included with the package. And again, when I looked on Amazon today, its price point was right at $30. Heads do come in a bag, so it's easy and convenient to keep them all together. But also the case, as you notice, the last two with the Teleco and with the Elfor, they do have a nice case to keep your massage guns in, whereas the Gerber and the next one I'm getting ready to review has a box. It doesn't come with a carrying case. So if that's something that you're looking for, just to be mindful of that. All right, so the next one we're getting ready to look at is the Affirma. Okay, and that one's spelled APHERMA. And this is going to be the X8 model. And I think between all of the massage guns I've looked at so far, this one, for the size of it, is lighter than these previous two, which were as large. But as you see, this one is quite big, looking at my hand size. With the Affirma X8, this has 8 massage heads. It does have 30 speeds, so on this one, for the LED, hold on here for it to display. There you go. Power, it does show, like the others, it shows 99 when it's fully charged, 80, 60, 40, and 20. And you'll see this one's already at 60. So it's getting ready to have to be recharged soon. It does offer 30 speeds, like I said, up to 6 hours of battery life once it's fully charged. And again, that is going to be depending on the speed and the intensity. This one only has 9 massage heads, and this one is currently retailing, when I looked at it today, at roughly about $27. Okay. And the final one that I'm going to review is one from a well-known manufacturer, Bob & Brad. Now this one is the C2 Pro. Okay, so I'm going to bring it over here so you can see it. Again, out of the 5, these 3 come with a carrying case. So again, easy to travel with, easy to put into your check bag. But if you'll notice, this one, compared to the others that I've looked at, very small, fits very comfortably in my hand. It does come with 5 massage heads. You have a flat, a round, a bullet, and the U shape, which meets all of your muscle needs. But the other thing that it comes with that's very unique is a hot and cold massage head. Okay. The other thing is, while the others you could just kind of push in the massage head, with Bob & Brad you have to screw it in. before you use it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn that. Okay. It does have a button here for its LED display. This is the indicator down here for your battery life. Then also the colors is what's going to tell you how much battery life you have left. When it's blue, that means you have a full charge, of course, what you see here. Then, of course, depending on the speed, it will change it from being a green to an amber to a red. Also, which will let you know how much time you have left. It does have an automatic turn off if it's not in use within 10 seconds. With it, it does have 5 speeds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Even at its highest speed, it's not very loud at all. It does take up to 3 hours to charge, or they'll say 210 minutes. So 3 to 3.5 hours for charging. But you will have about 2 to 5 hours of usage time with a full charge. Again, depending on the speed. For your hot and cold, it does have a separate switch. It is located on the side. One switch is for cold, another switch is for hot. I don't like cold. I love the hot. My husband loves the cold part of this model. This did release as of September of 23. And on Amazon, it is retailing right now at $85. And what's really good, especially with it being end of the year and for a Christmas gift, it is FSA eligible. So if you have any of those dollars still hanging out before the end of the year and you have to use them, this is another great gift idea. Okay, so those are the 5 guns that I have reviewed today. Go ahead and you can check them out on Amazon. The links will be in our description below, and there are some discounts as well. So if you follow the link, you can then use the discount as well. All right, thank you so very much. Bye for now.